make her run through the hallway how she does? Run at her? That's how she runs away. What, John? What? Aww. Smashley, are you okay? Uh-oh. She get you? Right on the bone? Oh, I hate that. That feels so bad. Oh, look at that happy tail. Look at that happy tail. Smashley. Smashley.
It's okay.
Oh, she's getting a drink. She is such a chubby little dog. Smashley! Chub chub! Your farmer tan so sexy, baby. Chunk does. He's like, hello, I have a cone around my head. Love me. Love me, love me, say that you love me. Smashley, 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 Smashley. Oh, Chunk.
Poppity.
Bud.
It's like, this is me running.
He's a trooper. He's doing so good. Our sick little baby. Always something wrong with the Chunk. Smashley. Do you want to go see your brothers and sisters? Or your, what? Yeah, one of your brothers is out there. And two of your sitters. Whoa.
Or not.
Oh, no? Everybody's in now? Okay. Don't you jump on me. Mickey dog, who's a pretty girl? My stomach hurts. Smashley. Smashley. Come to me. What movie is that from? Ace Ventura. What does he say?
Come to me, my jungle friend.
You, sir, just came in. Jasper, give it a rest. Oh gosh, someone's talking to me. Hipper, hipper, doo. Hipper, hipper, doo. Whoa, 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 no jumping, biggin. Sure.
Let's go.
Alright, bye-bye, babies. Mama loves you. Thanks for being good for the recording. You're going on the blog.